Today is Friday, March 28th. I'm going to show you a little bit of the event organizer dashboard for Calendar Snack. This is based on a stack we've built that sits on the AWS serverless stack. In particular, the piece of technology we built is called the Calendar Invite Server. So what I'm working with here is a set of APIs built on AWS technology. And what I'm going to do here is just drill into the 28th versus the 29th. You can see the data sets change here as I click around the calendar interface. Now, in particular, I'm going to go to the 29th, which is tomorrow, Saturday. You can see that there are, in particular, 8 basketball games loaded into the S3 buckets. And what I'm going to do here now is go to this button up here called Send Invites. I'll actually make this a little bit bigger. You'll be able to see it a little bit clearer. And when I go to Send Invites here for the 29th, I'm going to go down and just click a couple buttons here to stylize it. I'm going to include all the information on the calendar event itself. And what I'm going to do is just click here in Open New Window, and it's going to generate all the games in upcoming event status. And what I'm going to do up here is I'm going to put an email address up there, such as zach@techvader.com. Now, you can see over here, I've already sent Zach in his email client calendar invites for today, the 28th. And what I'm going to do here is scroll down. And as you can see, as I scroll down, these are the next calendar invites I'm going to send. And it's actually for tomorrow, 29th. So let's get to it. I'm just going to click this button here. And what I'm doing is actually sending a calendar invite for this individual event to this person over here, Zach at calendar or Zach at techvader.com. Now, what you're seeing here show up over here are the real calendar invites. So I'm just going to click a couple more times here. You'll see them come in on the right, and it'll pretty much wrap up the demo. What you're seeing is our ability to send and slice calendar data out of this calendar invite server we built. Just as important, though, is to track the RSVP information. So I'm just going to go through a couple of these here. I'm going to click yes, and the data itself will actually show up on the calendar invite server. You can see if you're sending out millions of calendar invites, how important the data will be at a scale like that. I'm almost done here with the demo, and let's just kind of wrap it up very quickly by giving you a couple more clicks on these buttons here. And guess what? I'm almost done. There we go. And this data here collected from these individual calendar invites now to Zach at techvader.com will show up here in this data collection engine here we built. I'm going to scroll to the top. I'm going to go back over to the Calendar Snack interface. And under the Calendar Snack interface is Get Reports. And in particular, you'll see all the data there collected out of all the data I've sent over the last year for NBA, NFL, and MLB games. I'm going to go to the 29th, which is the data set for tomorrow, Saturday. And you can see I've collected game data here from the individual calendar invites sent to Zach at techvader.com. So if you drill into one of these buckets here, I'm just going to click View Report. You can see that I collected one of the RSVPs, and that one there was accepted. And he is going to the event. And if I go to here to the 29th again, which is tomorrow, go into another one, and you'll see that there's another invite accepted. So that's the end of the demo. Thanks for stopping by and checking us out.